How do I present legal research findings? Have you ever wondered how to effectively share your legal research findings in law school? Presenting your work is just as important as conducting the research itself. Let's break down the steps to make your findings clear and impactful. First, know your audience. Are you presenting to professors, classmates, or legal professionals? Understanding who will receive your findings helps you tailor your presentation. Consider the purpose, too. Are you writing a paper, giving an oral presentation, or preparing a legal memorandum? This clarity will guide your approach. Next, organize your findings logically. Start with an introduction that clearly states the legal issue or question you researched. Follow this with a brief overview of your research plan. Explain how you approach the problem and what methods you used. Then, present the relevant legal rules, statutes, or case law you discovered. It is important to analyze how these sources apply to your issue. Highlight any ambiguities, conflicts, or different interpretations you found. Conclude this section with your reasoned conclusions or recommendations based on your research. Using a research plan can help keep everything on track. This plan should include the legal question or hypothesis, key terms, and concepts. List the sources you consulted, including cases, statutes, and secondary materials. Sharing this plan with your audience shows the systematic approach you took and adds transparency to your process. When presenting, make sure to explain legal concepts clearly. Define any specialized legal terms to ensure everyone understands. Use simple language to explain complex principles, especially if your audience is not familiar with the topic. Support your analysis with authority by accurately citing primary and secondary legal sources. Discuss how cases interpret statutes or how legal principles have evolved over time. If relevant, compare different jurisdictions or note legislative history to add depth to your analysis. Be sure to address counterarguments and ambiguities. Acknowledge conflicting case law or criticisms of the legal rule. Offer reasoned arguments for why your interpretation is preferable or suggest possible reforms. If you are giving an oral presentation, consider using visual aids like slides or handouts. These can highlight key points and organize complex information. Examples or hypotheticals can help illustrate how the law applies in practice. Always follow formal citation rules, whether in writing or orally. Use the appropriate legal citation format to give proper credit and allow others to verify your sources. Practice clarity and precision in your language. Avoid unnecessary jargon or overly complex sentences. Your findings should be accessible, concise, and focused on answering the research question. Finally, review and revise your presentation before finalizing it. Check for accuracy, logical flow, and completeness. If possible, seek feedback to improve clarity and persuasiveness. In law school, presenting legal research findings often takes the form of legal memoranda, research papers, or oral arguments. Each format requires you to adapt these principles, but always remember to emphasize a methodical approach, sound legal reasoning, and clear communication. This will not only demonstrate your mastery of legal research skills, but also prepare you for your future career in law.